Have you ever pondered why we, as humans, are so vastly different from a simple amoeba? Indeed, this question takes us back to the very roots of life itself. The concept of evolution paints a fascinating picture of our shared ancestry. From the simplest organisms to the complexity of human beings, we are all entwined in the great tapestry of life. Every creature, every plant, every microbe tells a tale of transformation over countless millennia. Evolution, the engine of life's diversity, is a journey worth exploring. Our journey begins around 3.8 billion years ago, in the primordial soup of early Earth. Imagine, if you will, an ancient world teeming with an array of simple, single-celled organisms. With time, these microscopic life forms began to evolve, gradually developing into more complex, multicellular entities. This transformation was no accident, of course. It was a result of genetic variation, that little bit of difference in each organism's DNA, which gave some an edge over others. Natural selection, that grand and impartial judge, favored those with the best adaptations for survival. This process, this dance of life, was slow and methodical, taking billions of years. But it was relentless, and through it the simple became complex, the small became large, and the few became many. Yet from such humble beginnings, life evolved, diversified, and ultimately gave rise to the complex organisms we see today. Fast forward to the present day, and evolution continues to shape life on Earth. A spectacular dance of adaptation and survival is happening right under our noses. Let's take a peek into some of these fascinating examples. Consider bacteria, those tiny organisms invisible to the naked eye. They are waging a war against antibiotics, evolving resistance at an alarming pace. Each generation, more resilient than the last, is a testament to the raw power of evolution. Now cast your thoughts to the wild. Climate change is painting a new backdrop for the stage of life. Animals are responding in kind, altering their behaviors, appearances, and even their geographical ranges. Polar bears, for instance, are getting thinner and having fewer cubs due to the accelerating loss of sea ice. These are not isolated incidents, but a collective testament to the ongoing process of evolution. As we speak, evolution is reshaping the living world in response to our rapidly changing environment. So, where does that leave us, the curious observers of this grand evolutionary spectacle? As we ponder the future, we navigate a sea of unknowns. Yet, amidst the uncertainty, one thing remains clear: the importance of understanding and preserving our planet's rich biodiversity. This diverse tapestry of life is the result of billions of years of evolution, and it continues to evolve. As we gaze into the future, we realize that we are both spectators and participants in the grand theatre of evolution.